It doesn't matter how much money you make if you spend it all by the end of the month. Building wealth is about increasing the gap between your income and your expenses. Today, I'm sharing 7 frugal habits that will save you thousands of dollars. Habit number 1 is implementing the 24-hour rule for any non-essential purchase. If you want something, wait a full day. Often, the impulse to buy will completely fade. Habit number 2 is mastering the art of meal prepping. Eating out for lunch every day can easily cost you over $3,000 a year. Habit number 3 is auditing and canceling phantom subscriptions. Go through your bank statement and ruthlessly cut any service you haven't used in a month. Habit number 4 is buying quality used items instead of brand new. Cars, furniture, and electronics depreciate massively the second they are opened. Habit number 5 is negotiating your recurring bills like internet and car insurance. A 10-minute phone call can often lower your rate by 20%. Habit number 6 is embracing DIY for simple home and auto repairs using YouTube tutorials. Habit number 7 is finding free entertainment like parks, libraries, and community events.